Hello. Hello. Hello, beautiful. Huh? What? I know you bite mine. Oh, come bite you mine. Oh, you might bite me. Hello. What? Hey! Why are you on my phone? Is this a perch? Is my phone a perch? My phone's not a perch.
Her wing is crooked. Her wing is crooked.
No,
that's
she'll fix it. She'll fix it. She'll fix it. I know!
Mango!
Mango! Look at you, mate. Look at you, mate. I know! Nia. Kom hier nie byt nie. Dis nie mooi nie. Ja, ek praat met jou. Jy's 'n stoute voël. Kyk net hoe stout is jy. Jy byt my. Nee, Mango. Oh no, Mango. Moenie my byt nie. Oh, you Mango. So pretty bird. Oh, he's a pretty bird.
Oh no.
I think we need to put you in your mother's room. Yeah, your mother's room. Because all you want to do is bite Oma. You want to bite Oma. Why are you biting Oma? I'm not doing anything to you. That's a beautiful bird. You just want to eat my cell phone cover. That's all.
Also myself.
Uh-huh.
I'm actually